Hello friends, I'm Hardik Patel. Welcome back to Django tutorial. In last video we learned about how to create our own custom view decorator which can be helpful to check few conditions before passing request to the view, right? So that's what we learned, and in this video actually I am going to explain about filter, Django filter. So that is template Django filter, right? So we can use like this using pipe symbol. Okay, so what is Django filter? So let's say for example this is one string which we want to convert, like first character we want to convert into the capital, then there is one filter is available, that is capitalize, right? So this is called filter. Let me show you some inbuilt filters which Django provides. Okay, so these are the filters you will be seeing. That is add, for addition, if you are passing number and you just use this add filter and give the value. This is the argument. You can also build your own filter which we are going to build in this video itself. Okay, so still again I am going to build very simple, but you will be able to see how can we use this. Okay, so this is the first is a list and second is again a different list, and this is just a addition of the list, right? So look at this cap first which I just mentioned, right? Let me show you that. So if it is small e, and now our if you will see the menu, e is small, right? Now if I want first letter capital by using that filter, what I need to do, I just need to use like this cap first, right? Okay, and now if I refresh this page, okay, so what's the mistake? Yeah, so this is string. This must be a object which should return string, but this is not a Django object. So for that you need to write like this, and employee is not a variable, so we need to pass into the string. Okay, so this is our string and I am just calling this filter using pipe symbol. Now if I will refresh this page, you will be able to see this is capital now, right? So another useful inbuilt Django template tag, not tag, Django filter, that is date. This is most useful. You will be see, because whenever you have some kind of date or maybe C time, and just you need to convert in the readable format which you want, like this date in this format, then you just need to write this filter name colon, and then in argument you need to just pass a string, and that string must be created using those characters which denote some values. Let's say for example if capital D, then that is a day of the week, textual 3 letters, so it's a Friday, then it will be show as a FRI. Okay, and if you'll see the month, small b, that is in a small letter Jan, then anti-meridian post meridian, that is also AM/PM if you pass this capital A. Okay, so whatever date has value, actual date will be a date object of Django, but it will convert into the readable format using this filter. Okay, this is again it's a Django's inbuilt filter. Okay, now let's talk about our how to create your custom decorator. Let's say for example if I want all the menu names in a capital form, let's say all capital, right? So how can I do that? So cap first, just doing first letter capital, but if I want all the letters are capital, then how can I do that? So what I need to do, so there is one structure available which you need to follow. Let's say for example if you want to write a model, so what we do, we write some classes inside the models.py file which is available in app and which is registered in settings.py. So same way, what you need to do, just you need to create one template text name folder. Look at this folder, template name text, and inside that you need to just create one init file, so it says that it is a Python package. And then whatever template tag you want to create, which you need to load first. Like, let me show that again. One inbuilt, this is, you can set tag library, you can call it a tag library, and inside that file you can create multiple filters and multiple tags which you can use in your templates. So let me show one, that is static, right? Yeah, we have added in base to HTML. Look at this. So static is a template tag library which Django provides. So inside that static, this static tag has been registered, right? And there are few which I have shown just sometimes back, which is automatically included in HTML, so you don't need to load it yourself. But this static is not by default included, so you need to load here using this load template tag, and just you need to give library name. So similar to that, what we will do in our case. So where is the template tag? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so poll extras, so load and then poll extras. So that's how you can include, you can load this whole library, and then you can use all the filters and template tags which are registered in this file. Okay, so this is the library you need to write here. So poll extras to py is there. What you need to do, you just need to import this template library, template class, and then, sorry, it's a module, and inside that module there is one function that is a class, that is library, and that is, you can create an object register, and that register you will be helpful to register all the filters and tags. So if you want to register tag, then there is one function that is register.tag, and inside that tag name whatever you want to add, and then function name. Okay, so there are two arguments it accepts. Filter does the same. Upper is the name of filter, and if this filter name is used anywhere in HTML, then upper function will be called. Okay, and when you use this pipe sign, and after that pipe sign you just write the filter name, right? And then after colon, whatever you pass, it takes as a second argument, like this. Okay, I will explain that also. So, but by default, first argument is the main object on which you are adding the filter, right? So if you see this employee string is a main object on which we are using this cap first filter, right? Same way we are going to do. Okay, before doing that, how can we register that? So this upper is a simple function which accepts one argument, that is this string, and then what it will do, it will return a value dot upper. So what we have done, we have just converted that string to upper string, uppercase, right? And now if you will see that in the browser, automatically it will be transformed into the uppercase. Okay, so let's now use this. So how can we use this? It is registered now, and this template library is available. The structure we have followed, so automatically it will be registered in our Django project. And now we just need to use this. Okay, so this is our head.html. Here we haven't loaded that library yet. So what we can do, there is two cases. If you want to use this filter everywhere in all the application, all the different pages, then just load the library inside this base.html, or else wherever it is required you can do that, like this. Right now I am just using this in this page only. So load, and then polls underscore extras. Okay, so that is the, sorry, poll extras, not polls extras. Now this library is loaded. Now what I need to do, I just need to use this filter. Okay, this is 5, and then filter name, what is the filter name? Upper, right? Upper. Okay, so now let's check it out. is it working or not. We just need to refresh this page. Okay, look at this. Employee first letter is in a capital because we used cap first, and this polls case we have used upper, so automatically it is converted into the capital cases. Now let's say for example I want to do something else, like I want just first three letter only, so I am passing this 3 as an argument, and let me take n. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am just slicing here 0 to n. Okay, so if I pass 3, that means it will give me only first 3 letters only. So let's see, is it working or not. It's very simple. Look at this. Now we have only first 3 letters because we have passed one more argument. So similar to that, you can use in a different way. You can create your own custom filter. Okay, so that's it in this video. I was just explaining only filter. In next video I will explain how to register a tag and how can we create a custom template tag. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you soon in the next video.